Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Danny from Dahua Overseas Business Center, and this is the Dahua Full Color Duo Splicing Eyeball Camera. This may seem similar to the previous unboxing video we did about the bullet camera. In fact, these two products are part of the same full-color duo splicing camera series. The main difference is the shape. If you haven't seen the unboxing video for the other products yet, click the link below to learn more details and their features and functions. The eyeball camera is named after its dome shape, which enables greater adjustability and mobility for various scenarios. Compared to other brands, the eyeball camera provides an adjustable rotation of 360 degrees and a tilt of up to 90 degrees, which helps save installation time and reduce frustration. Let's say you've installed the camera and discovered that the image is slanted. You can easily adjust the camera by rotating it to match your desired angle. Perhaps your target area is in the camera's peripheral or blind spot, and you want to focus on it. You can pan the camera by simply turning it. As I mentioned, the eyeball camera is part of the full color family. It provides full color details in low illumination settings by using an f1.0 aperture and 4 warm lights. It's also equipped with dual 3.6mm fixed focal lenses. Our advanced image fusion technology creates a seamlessly spliced 180-degree image. The camera has a built-in mic and speaker, which supports two-way talk for remote communication anytime, anywhere. Hi Lisa, this is Danny. It also supports EPTZ with 5 different layout modes to focus on a specific area or target. The eyeball camera is also packed with multiple AI functions, including heat map, perimeter protection, people counting, and smart object detection. This camera is ideal for playgrounds, town squares, garages, parking lots, halls, parklands, and so on. Overall, the Dahua Full Color Duo Splicing Eyeball Camera saves hassle and cost by surveilling a large area with one camera. Its adjustability provides convenient installation. Mount it and adjust it to your needs. For more information, you can visit the product links below or contact your local Dahua retailer. As always, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant, Danny. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification icon. Stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a safer society and smarter living.